Assalamu alaikum. My name is SOHAIL Siddique, and I am group head, and I am representing my group. And my student ID is 9843.
Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, is me, Muhammad Assam Khan, 141.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself, BABAR Said. My student ID is 12263.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and my student ID is 11217.
I am very happy to present our final year project. This project would not have been possible without the help and support of many wonderful people. First, I want to thank our mentor, Karmaz. Uh, your support and guidance have been very important for us and our project. We have been learned so much. I also want to thank our advisors, Asim. Your advice have helped us improve our project. We are very grateful for your support. A big thank you, Dr. Usman, the head of our FIP. Your leadership and support have been very valuable to us. Thank you for believing in our work. A big thank to PF Kiet University give us, and also big thank to our jury, uh, PF Kiet, and supportive jury, Sir Ayub Latif and Farhan Siddique. We have developed multi-vendor e-commerce application. We provide functionality of every vendor to create their profile and create products which will list on the mobile side. Any customer can buy their products. Our problem solving, uh, uh, there are we are solving multiple problems. The first one is vendor authentication. We provide authentication from super admin panel where each vendor can sign up, and until the vendor is not fake, then super admin will verify the vendor by using their trade licenses which vendor provide. If the vendor profile is authenticated, then vendor will be uh, vendor vendor have access to create products on website. And second one is product where video feature on product. Vendor to reduce scam, a vendor have a functionality.
We have solved multiple problems. The following are: the first one is vendor authentication. We have authenticate our vendor through super admin panel to authenticate the vendor, and then super admin access to vendor to create their store. The second one is we add video functionality to reduce the scam of the products. As we all know that there is multiple scam on online websites. The third one is access the current location of the user. That also a problem for driver to reach the exact destination of the user, that multiple users have not provide their actual and their correct location or address. So we have allow the user to just open their location, and we auto get their current location through their code.
How we are going to sign up? Contact. There is validation that contact is again. We have registered new vendor and create shop which is listed here, Daud, and the approval is pending, that and we are going to accept, and the status is updated. Now the shop is approved, and vendor is able to create their products as well.
Now here is what the list of vendors that are shown screen, and it is the code and the menu item that render the status of the vendor, either accepted or reject.
As we discussed in the start that we have also create mobile application for customer. So here is the home page of our mobile app. That that is the list of categories which is listed here, and here is some product that is also listing here. So once we click on any product, so it can show me all details, their selling price, actual price, details about their customer, their stock. As it show that here is the stock is zero, so the message is shown out of stock. And we also add, and we also discussed in the first that we also add the functionality for customer to watch the video of the product to reduce the scam of the product, and customer is also have good interaction or reliability of their for their order. So once we click on watch video button, so it can working properly, and we can also operate their voice, their setting, playback, download functionality also included here. And once you click on close button, so it can close. And let's move toward our card of their product of their customer. So here is the list of card. Here is the list of cards, and when we want to remove the card from our card list, so once we click on delete button, so it can remove properly. Here is the code of video functionality that we add in our application, that we import some packages from React and install some libraries like media playback queries and some other libraries, and allow voice also. Here is the code of Google auto getting location code is this, that we use Google APIs to add the functionality in a project. So here is the code that we get the latitude and longitude of the current location, and after that we pass it through Google Map API, and then it converted into the exact location of the customer. So here is the code of this functionality. Here is the code of chat API that we add functionality in our project. That we use socket programming for this. That once the user is connected to the driver or customer is connected to a driver, it show the console log message, and after that they can easily communicate and send message from each other. Once we click on next button, so as we discussed in the first that we have also have a best feature to get the customer correct location, so we can also have this, we can also implement this feature to get the customer correct and current location. So once the customer clicked on OK, it also helpful for driver to deliver the product or order easily. So also we add limitations at once that when the item quantity is zero, so we can proceed, so it show me the toast message to add at least one item, sorry. So when we add items and select city, then next proceed, so it get my location correctly. Once we click on confirmation button, so it proceed, and it's also, and we can also give the chance to for customer to also have maintained and check their current location correctly. If there is something wrong or missing, so we can, so the customer can easily edit this address.
As we discussed in the first, that we also add locally chat feature in our application to make easy for customers to interaction with driver and also save mobile storage. Let's send a message to the driver. We type the message and click on the arrow button, and the message is sent successfully. When customer receive new message, so the notification sound is on.
We are excited to share with you the details of our work and how I have approached it using various UML diagrams and an ERD diagram. Let's start with the use case diagram. This diagram represents the interaction between the users and the system. Here you can see the main actors and their roles. The diagram highlights the primary functions that the system will perform. Next we move on to the activity diagram. This diagram showcases the workflow of the system. It provides a step-by-step view of how a particular process flows from start to finish. This helps in understanding the sequence of activities and decision points involved. Now let's look at the ERD diagram. The entity relationship diagram illustrates the data model of the system. It shows the entities, their attributes, and the relationships between them. For instance, this diagram is crucial for designing the database and ensuring data integrity. Finally, I would like to thank you all for your attention and time. I would like to show you my project poster, which provides a comprehensive overview of our work. I would like to thank you for all of your attention and time. I hope our presentation has given you a clear understanding of our project and its key components. Thank you.